In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects in CapCut. Once you've opened your project in the CapCut editor, make sure your clips are already on the timeline so you can clearly see where you want your effects to appear. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the option labeled Effects and click on it. This will open the Effects panel. At the top of this panel, there's a search bar. If you already know the name or type of effect you want, you can type it directly into the search bar to find it quickly. If you're not sure what you're looking for yet, you can simply browse through the General Effects panel. You'll notice that CapCut organizes effects into categories such as trending, classic, hits, intro and outro, and more. These categories are designed to help you discover styles and looks that fit your video. Take a moment to scroll down through the panel to see everything that's available. When you spot a category that interests you, click on View All within that category. This expands the list and shows you every effect included there, making it easier to compare and choose the one that works best for your project. Once you've decided on an effect you like, just click on it. CapCut will automatically apply it to your project and create a dedicated effects track on your timeline. You'll see a new bar or block appear, representing that effect layer. From here, you can control exactly where the effect shows up in your video. Click and drag the effect block left or right along the timeline to set the starting point. Position it so it lines up with the specific moment in your video where you want the effect to begin. To adjust how long the effect lasts, move your cursor to either the beginning or the end of the effect block on the timeline. When the cursor changes, click and drag outward to make the effect last longer, or drag inward to shorten its duration. This gives you precise control over how subtle or dramatic the effect feels within your edit. When you're happy with the placement and length, play back your project from just before the effect starts. Watch how it looks in real time and make any final tweaks to timing or duration until it matches your creative vision. And that's it. You've successfully added and adjusted an effect in CapCut.